In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 basic tools you'll need to start sandcasting to make jewellery. First, you'll need a mould to be able to press your clay into. This one here is just a little aluminium one that I bought online. It sometimes comes with the packs of clay. It's just a 2/2 with a locating mark on it. Or if you don't want to buy one, you can make one. This is just a wooden one, so it's not going to last forever as it's going to slowly burn out at the top there. But it's pretty much 2 small picture frames with a locating screws in the top and a funnel. So once you press your halves in, you make your mould, put it back together and pour through the top, as shown in these videos. As you can see there, there's a little funnel hole. Breathers on both sides. Second, you're going to want your clay to make your moulds. This is called Delft clay. You can buy in packs like this. This is a 2 kilogram bag. You can buy it online. I'll have this linked in the description below. I'll show you how it works. Once you've got your mould made, you're going to need something to melt your metal in, whether it's silver, brass, copper or gold. You're going to need a little crucible like this. Again, this is just an online purchase that will probably cost you around $50 plus shipping. An alternative option is getting a little furnace, which is actually a much better choice, but it is at a higher price point. Once you've got your crucible with your metal in it, you're going to need something to melt it. And this is where this comes in. Just a propane tank you can get at any hardware store. This is just the cheapest option that you can get. But if you want something that can tackle harder metals, leveling up to a gas torch like this that has oxygen and propane mixture is better, but that will set you back a few $100s. Last, you're going to need a tool to carve and make the shape once the mould's made. One of the tools I use is a Dremel, which is just a little carving tool with different attachable heads. This also can be found at many hardware stores. If you just want to get cracking and don't have the money to buy a Dremel straight away or any other sort of carving tool like this, files and sandpaper will do to start with. Here's a few tips. When making your mould, you can be out of anything hard. For example, this is just a scrap piece of plastic. Make sure when you're melting your metal, you're in a well ventilated area, because the fumes aren't good. There we have the little indentation, kind of like a fossil. In these videos I do use other tools, but you can get away without them to start with. This here is a wax carving block, which you can use if shaping more complex pieces, like the inside of this shell. Right, so I just finished carving out both sides now. Look at that.